Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. We do our best to get customer feedback. We always appreciate hearing from our customers as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring for every single one of our customers. But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.